Hey everybody, I am Sally Shuford, your hometown girl and realtor right here in beautiful Augusta, Georgia. And today I am coming to you from my newest listing and I'm so excited to share it with you. I'm gonna share my 3 favorite things, and if you have any questions about it, give me a call because I'd love to tell you more. This sweet little dollhouse was built in Augusta in 1941, and I'm standing not in the formal living room, but what I would call a den. It has this lovely, okay, that's it. I mean, I overuse that word, but it's the cutest little fireplace that has not been painted, so that's the natural wood. We've got some knotty pine paneling in here, but they have left the trim of all the doors natural, and it's so, I mean, like, this is cozy times 10. This mirror is my second favorite thing. I'm standing in the dining room right now, and you've got the living room there and the hallway there where the private spaces were located, and then access straight away through this charming little, oh, I vowed not to say charming. What's a better word for that? Period appropriate swinging door is into this kitchen that has been nicely updated and has plenty of room for eating in. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. So a bonus feature of this home is that it is footsteps away from Augusta's favorite park, Pendleton King Park, where you can do disc golf, gardening. There's a stage there, and my favorite, the dog park. And don't forget the sun porch. This is where you can do the yoga. So if you like this neighborhood, or you like this home, or maybe you just like me, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you and give you some more information. Bye for now.